Hey there everyone, welcome back. I have a small update, and as you can see here we have the Toyota Avensis. Right now if we have the wrench on the part, it says Toyota Avensis chassis. Avensis rear left door, everything's okay. We have a 4-cylinder in the front. So yeah, this is the base version. If we go upstairs to the garage, we have the R34 Avensis. I need to script the engine a bit down lower. And we have the Blitz Avensis. So yeah, let's just check that one out. Now it says Blitz Avensis chassis. We have our paintable headlight back, the Dragstar headlight. I've scripted in the different models, so the thing that you see here is the thing that you will get, except for the wheels. I think these were from Jag, if I'm correct. So Jag, if you're watching this, awesome rim pack, bro. Let me see, if we go to the catalog, to the body, to the factory parts, now we see that we have the titanium exhaust. I still need to make a standard exhaust pipe, and we have all the standard parts right here. In the aftermarket parts we have the Blitz rear wings, the R34-ish rear bumper, Blitz hood, Blitz in the clean trunk, R34 skirt, which was in the last version, or the version that I downloaded, the stock side skirt, but Avensis doesn't have that one as stock. The Avensis R34 style front bumper, the dual titanium exhaust pipe, that dual fart cannon for that ass. Here we go. We have the carbon fiber roof. We have everything that we need all right here. So I'll just check if I check to see if I've done things correct. Not with the Blitz one. Yeah, now it's fully interchangeable. So all the scripts have been done. The versions have been scripted. I will make another exhaust. Just think I'm going to script the exhaust a bit back because it's really up front. I want to have it. Yeah, I'm going to do that. So the version is almost done, and of course this is what you all want to see, if I have corrected it. Yeah, I think I have corrected it indeed. So just from the front angle here, just let me remove the windscreen so you can see it even better. There is our driver, perfectly in position, holding the steering wheel. I thought it was a big problem, but apparently it wasn't. I have managed to script in the other versions as well, as you saw with the chassis. If we go to the vehicle selection, we now have the Toyota Avensis, the basic stock version. We have the R34 basic Toyota Avensis basis. No, that's Dutch. We need a C over there. Yeah, small error. I will address that, but with a slight twist. And remember to script in the engine of choice, because I may have other mods installed than you, so be careful with that. And we have the Blitz Avensis chassis. So we have our chassis. They have been returned to their place in the RPK because they were scripted out. There was only one version. All the parts are here. Scripts have been done. Passenger, driver, rear right. Yeah, I think we'll remove that drivers and passengers by left and right. Yeah. So now you know. Almost done, guys. Almost done. See you soon.